And hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to disable shutdown, restart, sleep and hibernate in Windows. So go to search, type run, gpedit.msc, click OK, full screen this, go to user configuration, administrative templates, start menu and taskbar, and remove and prevent access to shutdown, restart, sleep and hibernate commands. So we're gonna find that. Here it is. Double click it, go to enabled, and I'm in check enabled, and go OK. Minimize this, and here there are currently no power options available. So you wanna revert to the settings, go to double click it and not configured, and apply OK. And here you can see this again. So that is it guys. Thanks for watching, and leave a like, comment down below, subscribe and share this tutorial to your friends, and I will see you in next one. Goodbye.